Hello, aspirants. A warm welcome to you in Genius Education IAS YouTube channel. So, guys, in this video, in this session, we are going to see Indian geography topic, that is resources with related to the industries. Okay, so in today's video, we'll see where existence of the metals, existence of the minerals in Himalayan region, in plateau region, and in Great Plains. Okay, so Indian extends with we'll see if you talk about the northern hemisphere, because India is located in northern hemisphere. Okay, and eastward hemisphere. So if you see extent of the India from south to north, it is 8 degree 4 minutes to 37 degree 6 minutes. Okay, so this is our extent of India north to north. If you talk about the with respect of India, then it's south to north. If you talk about the with respect to the global, then it is north to north. Okay, so India, there is a between positions, between structures. Mainland is divided into Himalayan range, hilly area. Okay, Great Plains, Gangetic, Yamuna plain, Brahmaputra plain. Okay, here you will see in mid, and this peninsular India, here is a plateau. Okay, when you will see map of political map of India, physical map of India, then you will find plateau, okay, called as the peninsular India. So mainly talk about in this video is resources, where is the existence of the metals and existence of the minerals in India. Okay, so let's see. So guys, resources related industries. So guys, first is the Chota Nagpur belt. Okay, so Chota Nagpur belt is the mine of the minerals in India, because most of the metals minerals are present there. So if you talk about Chota Nagpur belt, then you will find in which region? Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, Odisha, Bihar, and West Bengal. Okay, including all these states, you will see Chota Nagpur belt. Okay, here is in Chota Nagpur belt, there is a many several types of metals and minerals are there. If you see 100% kyanite, 93% iron ore, 84% coal, and 70% chromite. Okay, so this is the rich source of minerals and metals. Okay, so let's see, next is mica, manganese, chromite, bauxite, uranium, phosphate, copper, dolomite, china clay, and limestone are present there also. So in Chota Nagpur Pathar or Chota Nagpur Belt, Chota Nagpur Plateau, you'll see there is a major source of kyanite, iron ore, 93% iron ore, 84% coal, and 70% chromite. Okay, and beyond this, there is a mica, manganese, chromite, bauxite. Bauxite is the ore of aluminium. Okay, uranium also. Uranium, you'll see phosphate, copper, dolomite, china clay. China clay related to the glass industries and other industries. Okay, so guys, if you see, next is the Midland Belt. If you see the Midland Belt, here is Chhattisgarh, MP, Andhra Pradesh, and Maharashtra. The extent is Midland Belt is Chhattisgarh, MP, Maharashtra, and Andhra Pradesh. Okay, so in this region, what type of and which type of minerals, metals are there? Manganese, bauxite, mica also there, copper, graphite, and limestone. Okay, lignite and marble. So limestone, marble, lignite, all these related to the cement industry. Okay, and marbles construction of the buildings, use of it. Okay, and the next is southern belt. The southern belt, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, and Tamil Nadu. Here is extent of it, and you will see here is mainly gold, iron ore, chromite are found, and manganese, lignite, mica, and you will see bauxite, gypsum, asbestos, and limestone. You will see gypsum, asbestos, and limestone are usually for the cement industries. So finally, in Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, and Tamil Nadu region, there is a industry of cements. Okay. So then, if you see, next slide is the Western Belt. If you see the Western Belt, then you will find Rajasthan, Gujarat, and Maharashtra. With three states of it, Western Belt. Okay, so mainly here is copper, lead, zinc, uranium are found. Okay, mica, manganese, mineral, and natural gas. Okay, so are you observe it here? What observe it? Here is no iron ore. Okay, iron ore and coal are not present here. So whenever UPSC asks you a question in prelims examination, which of the following is not found in the Western Belt? Okay, so in this question here is given in first or two or third or fourth. One option will be there, iron ore or coal. So if you see this topic, if you mug up this topic, if you heard this topic, then you will find easily, and you will find easily of answer of this question. Okay, so if you uh, find, if you solve this question, then you satisfy with whole your result, and it will be increase your result. Okay, because these type of question also UPSC asks. Okay, next is the southwestern belt. This is last but not least. Okay, so the southwestern belt. If you see the southwestern belt, there is Goa, Karnataka, and Kerala. Okay, there are three states within the southwestern belt. If you see here, iron ore, ilmenite, zircon, monazite sand. If you see monazite sand, here is a uranium and etc. all explosion sands. Okay, garnet, china clay, bauxite, mica, limestone, and soapstone are there. So if you find easily all questions of answer, if you mug up, if you learn with whole consolidation, whole dedication. Okay, if you consolidify all these topics within a topic, that is resources with related to the industries in India. Okay, so which type of particular you can say metal, you can say minerals are there, then you will easily find answer of this particular question. Okay, so UPSC point of view, these topics and are most important. If you see, if you go for the interview, an interview panel ask you, then which area there is a present coal, there is no presentation of coal and iron ore, then you will easily say that this is the Rajasthan and Madhya Pradesh region. Okay, so guys, I hope you like this video. If you like, share and subscribe this channel. Please keep connected with us. Okay, thanks for watching this video. So let's meet in next video. Okay, thanks for watching this video. Bye.